Hello everyone, I'm Neetu. Today I'm going to explain Crime Report Management System. This is user interface and this code has been run in Android Studio. Let's move. Today we'll see about the topics introduction, motivation, use case diagram, class diagram, sequence diagrams, source code, screenshot of project, and the conclusion. First, we'll see introduction. The need for good record keeping and information sharing practices has been taken on great significance in today's global environment. Not only do well organized records provide important internal information, that is, business operations and case management support, not to forget the official memory of an agency's investigations. Law enforcement agencies are now required to communicate agency to agency and across continents to protect the nation's citizens. Nothing is more important to accomplishing that mission than having accessibility to accurate and timely records. Calls for service, records, and investigate, arrest, crime identification, criminal identification, and even civil records hold data that by themselves mean little. However, once pieced together with information from our jurisdiction, the result can help with all levels of investigation and aid in safeguarding the nation. Crime report management is very useful for users where the users can access this application to raise a complaint against the crime person on the spot. Using this application they can send the complaint and the police takes the action against the crime person. Let's move on. Motivations. There are various ways of understanding the requirement DFDs, chain charts, flow charts, UML diagrams, etc. For this project, we have used a use case diagram and then later a class diagram, better understanding for the requirements and functionalities of our project. A use case diagram represents a user interaction with the system that shows the relationship between the user and the different use cases in which the user is involved. A use case diagram can identify the different types of users of the system and the different use cases and will often be accompanied by other types of charts. Either circles or ellipses represent the use cases. This is a use case diagram. In this use case diagram of crime report management system, we can see there will be an admin and a police station wherein admin will see manage police the add safety tips where there will be safety tips for the user and there will be updated newses. The register admin will be the admin has to be registered, and then the police and the admin both has to be logging into the application. We can see the updated profiles, most wanted person, missing person details, and the registered complaints, and then the user can also give the feedback. In class diagram we can see what are all the details as been present in that application and what are the type of data types we have used. In police station we have the details of the police name, sorry, police name, police station name, police station ID, mobile address, email, everything, all details has been present in the police station table. And then the missing person details, most wanted person details, complaint details, admin detail, user detail are all has to be updated on or has to be given by the user or the police or the police head. And the news will be updating day by day, and there will be a safety tips and the feedback. In We'll see sequence diagram for registering a complaint where the first user has to be user has to be login, and the details have to be given, and the details is verified in the database. If the details is not existed, the login will be failed. The user will be registered, and that register details has been updated. It shows the details has been updated successfully and registered successfully. After the user login, The database will verify the user existence and it shows the user is login successful. The user will raise a complaint against the crime person. It will be updated and the database will show it is successful. We'll come to admin side where the admin has to be login again. The database will verify and it will show successful, and the admin will see the user. It will see the crime reports of the person. The details has to be fetched, and it will show the details is fetched successfully. If that person's crime details has been successfully seen, then the person's details can be deleted. Let's see the source code here. We have used the database crime portal. If we come to the table of the complaint where the user will raise a complaint, they have to give the complaint ID, location of the crime, what type of crime, whether it is a robbery, rape, or murder, etc. Those kind of what kind of what kind of crime has been happened, the date of the crime, time, the police status, police ID, everything has been given in the complaint table. For example, we can see here police ID, police location, crime, what kind of crime has been happened, or a description of that crime, status, password, everything, all details has been given in this complaint table. The table structure for table head. The police head has to, if the police head have to be seen, has to seen the details of the crime. First, they have to give the ID and then password. Then only after login, they can see all the details of the crime. Create table police. The police has to create the table, giving the details of his name, his or her name, ID, location, password. For example, you can see here the police name is Manish Singh. His ID is A101. Location is Anandapur. Password is Manish. What kind of specialty? What kind of crime has taken place? Murder has been taken place. We can see the table of police station. Again, the details have been given: police station ID, police station name, police station location, password. Everything we have to give, and then the details can be fetched. Even we can update the case in this application by giving case ID and then the case details. Then all the details can be fetched. The case updates like criminal is verified or criminal is caught, criminal interrogated, criminal accepted the crime, criminal charged, the case has been moved to court, criminal verified. These are the ways where the criminal details can be fetched, where the criminal is verified or caught, or the criminal is escaped or moved to another court, etc. can be seen here. Next, we'll see the table structure for table user. User table. In user, we will see the user name, ID, password, address, number, gender, mobile number. All is personal, his or her personal details. There is an example we have inserted into. We had inserted the values of the user just for a glance, and then we can see police complaint and the user table, everything in this code. We'll see how after it has been successfully coded, we can see a display of the home page where it is all the details has been present. If you have to see the news, safety tips, missing person details, wanted person, if you have to register or contact us, anything you have to see, you can select any one of this. Let's move on. Create a user page of the admin. This is a user page where you have to give the user name and a password every time where you have to raise a complaint. You have to give these details. Create police station page of admin. The police station has to be created a page of admin, or then only you can check where the police station is present, or to to give an complaint against the crime person. So these details has to be given by the police people: police name, police station name, address, city, email, or mobile number. Create a new page for the admin. The admin has to be given has to give the news description, day-to-day news description where the what has happened to the crime person. This is a homepage of police where they can see all the complaints, missing persons, wanted persons, or whether they have to log out, log in. Everything is in this page. Manage complaints page for police. Here in this page, we can see what kind of murder, or the date, or the status, whether it is the complaint they are taking place, or still they are in process. Every details can be seen in this page. If you have seen any missing person, if you have any missing person, you can give all the details in this page, and you can submit it. Enter most wanted person page. If there is any most wanted person you have seen anywhere around you, you can just give all the details and you can submit it. Profile page of user. This is a profile page of user we have you where you have registered earlier. The details can be seen here. Post complaint page of users. Here you can give the complaints against the crime. You have to select the police station. You have to give the complaint type, whether it's a robbery or a murder, etc. And the complaint description, what you have seen there. So you have to give all the descriptions on this page. The police will be keeping a track of these complaints. This is a display of the news page. Day by day display will be seen in this page. This is a safety tips where you have to we call on 100 in case of emergency. Feel free to contact police. Wear helmet. All the safety tips has been can be seen in this page. Missing person display page can be seen in this page, where missing person photo is details. Everything can be seen in this page. Most wanted person display page has been displayed like this. User registration page, where the user will give all the details and register only after registering only the user can raise the complaint against the crime person. Contact us page, the police station location, police station telephone number, email id, anything. If you have any emergencies, you can contact the police station. This is a contact us page. Conclusion. Nowadays, everything is getting computerized. Manual work usually consumes a lot of time and is error prone. To make complaining easy and manage crime records, this application is beneficial. Thus, crime management system overcomes most of the existing systems limitations and is very user-friendly application. This is all about crime report management system. Thank you.